Welcome back to our Python tutorial series for beginners. In this video, you'll learn how to take input from a user using the input function. Let's get started. In Python, we use the input function to allow the user to enter data while the program is running. Here's a simple example. We'll ask the user to enter their name and age, and then we'll print it back to them. Let's see the code. Name equals input, enter your name, colon. Age equals input, enter your age, colon. Print, hello, name. Print, you are age, years old. Now, let's understand the output. When this program runs, it will pause and ask the user to type their name. Once the name is entered and enter is pressed, it will then ask for the age. After the user enters the age, it prints a greeting using both pieces of information. This shows how we can interact with the user in real time. By default, anything entered through the input function is treated as a string, even numbers. Looking ahead, in upcoming videos, we'll see how to convert these inputs into numbers for calculations. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python lessons. See you in the next one.